How to fix Google Drive download error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Drive download error on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here type drive, click on it, and first all you need to do, click force stop, and then go to storage, clear cache, and now go to permissions and allow storage. Maybe you will find it like that. Just click on it and click allow, and then go to data usage. Now allow all of those here, allow all of those, and that's it. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.